Here is another beautiful fun painting created by pouring paint on canvas and then blowing it out with a blow dryer. And of course I use my straw in some areas. Guys, check out today's video. The colors are beautiful. It's vibrant. I love it. You guys will love this one. Hello everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Are you guys ready for another fun video? Today I will be pouring paint on canvas and then I'll be blowing it out with a blow dryer. Also, I'll be using my mouth to blow out some areas, so let me apologize if my head will be in the way. So guys, just let me apologize for that. Check out today's video, guys. It's amazing. The colors are beautiful. I'm using shades of red, 2 shades of red, and bright pink, neon pink. Alright, so I'll be pouring the paint in puddles and then I'll be blowing it out with a blow dryer. The base color is white. You can always go ahead and check the description box for the brand name of the paint I use for today's painting. Guys, I want to say welcome and I want to say thank you so much for being here, all my new viewers, all my returning subscribers, and my returning viewers. I want to say welcome back to my channel. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I have great contents to share. I hope to inspire someone to get up and try new stuff every day. All right, guys, so thank you so much for being here. Stay tuned for the wet result and the dried result at the end. All right, guys, so don't go away. Thank you so much. Here it is, a close-up of the wet result. Guys, what do you have to say about this one? I love it. I really do love it. I mean, the colors are amazing. It's so vibrant. And of course, using the blow dryer creates some great frills. And I wanted to experiment to see what it would look like if I decided to do a flower in layers. So I love it, and I'm very happy that I, experimented and tried this one out. What do you guys have to say about this one? It's amazing. And even how the white is around some of the petals in the middle, it's just amazing. It happens naturally. I love it, guys. And here it is, a dried result. Of course, it dried well. I am happy with it. There's no finish on it, no varnish, nothing. This is just a natural color, and it dried amazing. So guys, go ahead, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Like and share my videos, of course, with your friends and family. And of course, you know what, guys, check out my playlist, and I will see you next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.